solo channel with the Gemini drive on. So this is all, again, recorded in my room just on my cell phone. Still on rhythm with my settings, same thing. So some of the older Vai, I think like the traditional for Love of God sounds better through this than maybe the solo channel. Again, this is recorded just open room on my cell phone. So this is my settings with the Synergy. This is with rhythm only section, going directly through my speakers, and this is just in the room.